Hi, hello, welcome to SAROJINI Smart Learning. Very good morning to all. So, today again back with a new topic in our episodes. For the last few episodes, you're watching my videos. Thank you very much for your comments in the comment boxes, writing. And the basic information about these mathematics I would like to give for all the children and the job aspirants who are preparing for their jobs. And I am Murhari, as you know, for the last 20 years I am training students on Abacus, Vedic math and regular math. So Vedic math techniques already I have explained in my previous videos, and remaining topics I'm going to explain right now. So among those, lot of topics we have discussed. So in regular math, so among those for the last 2-3 episodes we are dealing with L.C.M. and H.C.F, least common multiple, as well as H.C.F, highest common divisor, highest common factor. Okay, least common multiple and highest common factors. So among these, the basic things with the smaller numbers I have explained in my previous episodes. So today I am going to explain a little bit bigger numbers like word problems, how it will be. So that we are going to do now. So that is related to completely HCF as well as LCM, and that too word problems. Okay. So now I am going to give a question to you. So then we will analyze it and we will do it. Okay. So here is the question. So on the board I wrote a question. Just find the greatest number that will exactly divide 200 and 320. First of all, we have to find out the sum which is given on the board is to find out LCM or HCF. How you will come to know? By reading the question, it is given greatest number, can also called highest number. Highest means H, highest common factors. Now we have to take out the factors. There are two methods I told. There are two methods to do this one. So one is the numbers are 200 and 300. So now what are the factors of 200 and what are the factors of 320 it is. 320. So, you know factors. Okay. So, 1 200s up, 2 100s up, 3 now, 4 450s up, 5 40s up. Okay. Or you can make it like this. 200 is 1 into 200, 2 into 100, 4 into 50, 5 into 40, 6 it on goes, 7 on goes, 8 now, 9, 8 we can try, 8 2s are 16, 5s are 8, 25 times, yeah, 9 now, 10 20s are, then will it go in 15? You can check 15 ones are 15, no. 16, no. 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20 means here only. So 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, 25, 40, 50, 100 and 200 are the factors. So you can write like this, 5, then 8, 10, 20, 25, 40, 50, 100 and 200. So these are the factors of 200. Similarly, if I take 320, what are the factors? 1 320s are, 2 160s are, okay? In 3 table it don't goes, 4 80s are 320 because 4 8s are 32 and 0, and 5 6 are 34s are 5 64s are, 6 no, 7 no, 8 40s are because 8 4s are 32, and 9 now, 10 32s are, it will go 11 12 13 no, 14 no, 15 no, 16 20s are. So after 16 again it will come to 20. So these are the factors of 320. What are those? 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 16, 20, 32, 40, 64, 80, 160 and 320. Now I gave a bigger number because in the last episodes we have already discussed about smaller numbers. Okay, because of that I gave a bigger number. So this is the first method only. There are two methods to do this sum. The first method is taking the factors by taking directly. Okay, so you got the factors right now. Now what are the common factors? What are the common factors among these? 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, and next 20, write down 20, 25 is not there, then 40, 40 you can write down, 50 is not there, 100 is not there. Okay, so these are the numbers 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, 20, 40 are the common factors of the two given numbers, that is 200 and 320. Now among these, what is the highest common factor? Among these, the highest number is 40. So this is the answer you are going to find out. So this is method 1. This is method 1. Now we will go with alternate method. What is that alternate method? This is 41, 200 and 320. I will remove the factor method and I go with the division method. Second method is division method. So what are the numbers 200 and 320? In the division method, what I told, first we will take the bigger number and that is divided by the smaller number. The bigger number is 320 is divided by 200. So 200 table is easy, 200 ones are 200, 200 twos are 400. But the given number is 320 which is less than 400. So I will take only one time. So 200 into 1 time is 200 only. Now what you left? 120 you left. Now as I told, if any remainder left means again you bring down this divisor as a dividend. This is the process. Now again 121s are 120, 122s are 240. But here only 200. So I will take again ones are 120. So if I subtract 120 from 200, you left with 80. Okay, again a remainder came. So again bring down this divisor as the dividend 120. Okay, now in 80 table, 81s are 80, 82s are 160, but here only 120 is there. So 81s are 80. You left 40. Okay, still you have a remainder. So again bring down this one, that is 80. So 42s are 80. Exactly, you got 0. That means the last divisor is our H.C.F, or we can call greatest common divisor. See, here also you got 40, here also you got 40. So in this way we can do this type of bigger sums. So no worries whether the sum is small or big, the methodology you are going to learn from me, right? So hope you understood. So with this we conclude that what is LCM, what is H.C.F, and the combination of LCM and H.C.F. Okay. So and I had told in the factor method and division method also. So hope you will understand everything, and thanks for watching.